Everyone, welcome back to our Python full course. In previous lecture, we have explored some of Python's most important data structures, that is including strings, tuples, arrays, and dictionaries. We learned how to create them, access and manipulate their data using built-in functions and functions, then solve practical programming examples. In today's lecture, we are going to learn another powerful data structure in Python that is called sets. So, throughout this lecture, we will understand how to create sets, explore their characteristics, perform various set operations, and learn built-in methods such as add, update, remove, discard, etc., and many more. We will also discuss built-in functions, practical examples, interview questions, and real-world applications of sets. After completing the set topic, we will move to pattern printing, which is nearly an important topic related to improving your program logics. Pattern printing helps us to understand nested loops, conditional statements, and logical thinking. With we will do different types of patterns such as star pattern, number pattern, alphabet pattern, pyramids, invert pyramids, diamonds, then etc. etc. By the end of this lecture, you will have a strong understanding of sets and pattern printing, which will help you to solve coding problems, then more efficient and to prepare for your interviews and competitive programming, hackathons, and etc. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with our lecture 6, that is understanding the concepts of sets and in Python, then more about in Python, that is pattern printing. So sets. A set is a unordered collection of unique elements in Python. Sets are used only when duplicate values are not required and when performing mathematical operations such as union, intersection, and difference. Features of sets. Stores unique value only, unordered. No indexing is used. Mutable elements can be added or removed. Does not allow duplicate elements. Can store different data types in one set. Creating using curly braces or the set function. Syntax. Set name is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, or set name is equal to set of list of 1, comma 2, comma 3. The both ways are correct to create a set. Creating a set, that is integer set, that is number is equal to 10, comma 20, comma 30. You have to think the difference between dictionary and set. In dictionary, the elements are stored in the key value pairs. But here, the single elements are stored as it is, like tuple. But you can see also string set mixed data types like fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Then data is equal to 10, Python, 13, 3.14, then true. Here, 10 is an integer type. Python is a string type. 3.14 is a floating point number. Then true is the Boolean value. So empty set is the set where no values are contained and stored. A is equal to set print type of A. So the type of A will be printing that the class is set. Duplicate values. A is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 4, comma 5. Here, if we print A, the duplicate's value will be removed automatically. So the result will be 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma and 5. Accessing elements. Sets do not support indexing. So A is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. If we print by indexing, that is print A of 0, the output will be type error. So instead of giving the indexing, we can use for loop for printing the set elements. So you can use for I in A, that is A is the set name. So print type, the elements will be printing one by one. Sixth, adding elements. Add. A is equal to a set where the three elements are stored, that is 10, 20, and 30. If A dot add 40, print A. So the new element 40 will be added at the last of the set. So the output will be the element of 4 elements. Update. Add multiple elements. So A is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma is the set. Then when we have to need to update, we can give The syntax is set name dot update. Then in the list form, we have to give the another tuple. So if we print A, the two set elements will be adding together and forms a new set. Removing a element. Remove A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. If we want to remove any particular element, we can give the element directly in the remove function. The syntax is set name dot remove, then the element in the parenthesis. Print A. If element does not exist, it will give key error. If the element present, the set will be removing the present element. Next, discard. A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 dot A dot discard 5. If discard means also, let me clear that. Let me give the difference between remove, discard, and pop. Remove method removes the specified element from the set if the element does not exist. It raises a key error. Syntax is set name dot remove element. Numbers, for example, numbers is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Numbers dot remove 20. Print numbers. So the output will be 10 comma 30. If the element does not exist, then the output will be like key error 50. Then second, discard. Discard method removes the specified element from the set. If the element is not present, it does not generate an error. So the syntax is set name dot discard element. Numbers, for example, numbers is a set where it carries 10, 20, 30. Numbers dot discard of 20 where it will give the output as 10 comma 30. If the element does not exist, it gives the same tuple as same set as the output and no error occurs. Then third, pop function. The pop method removes and returns random element from the set because sets are unordered. So the syntax is set name dot pop. Example is numbers is a set name where it carries 10, 20, 30. Value is equal to numbers dot pop where value carries the popped items in it. Print removed elements, that is the string name then value. Then print numbers. So the removed element is 20 and the remaining set elements are 10 comma 30. Note, since sets are unordered, the removed element may vary each time the program runs. If the set is empty, then the key error is arise that pop from an empty set. Summary. So the last and final recap of these three functions. Remove removes a specific element raises a key error if the element is not found. But discard removes a specific element does not raise an error if the element is not found. Pop removes and returns a random element does not take any argument. So some Viva questions. Which method is safer? Remove or discard? So the answer is discard is safer because it does not raise an error when specified element is not present in set. But where remove function gives a key error. So moving on to next, that is members delete. Del A. The syntax is delete the set name. Delete the entire set. Eighth one. Membership operator. Membership operator means in and not in. So A is equal to 10, 20, 30. Print 20 in A. So 20 is present in the set A. So it will give true as the output. Print 50 not in A. Because A does not have the element 50. So it will also give the output as true. Set operations. Set operations first, union. Combines two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, where B set is equal to 3, 4, 5. Where if we give print A dot union of B or print A straight barcode B, the output will be, it will join the occurrence of each element and joins the set. Intersection, common elements. It will find the common elements in the both sets and it will be giving the common element as the set element. So print A and B. You have to give print A and B. Note the point. So the common element in the set A and set B is 3. So the output is 3. Difference. Elements in first set only. So you have to give print A minus B. The output is 1 comma 2. If you want elements in B, you have to give print B minus A. So the output will be 4 and 5. Symmetric difference. Element present in either set A or set B or none of the both. Print A to the power B, that is A arrow mark powered B, that is 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5. Comparison operators. A is equal to 1 2 3. B is equal to 1 2 3. Print A dot is subset of B. True, because A is having the same element by the B as 3 elements, where in the 3, 2 are same elements. So superset, next one. Print B is a superset of A. Yes, because B is the superset of A. Disjoint. A is equal to, sorry, let us move to the next topic. Let me give a clear. Intersection update. Updates the original set with only the common elements. Set one syntax is set one dot intersection update set two. So here example is A 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 4. A dot intersection underscore update B. So print A. So it will be updating the common elements in the both sets and giving as a new set. Difference update defines remove elements from the set first set then all that are also present in second set. Syntax set one dot difference underscore update set two. Example A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to 2 comma 4. A dot difference update B. So the output will be 1 and 3 because 2 is present in also B, then 4 is not present at all. So it will give 1 comma 3. Symmetric difference update updates the set elements with elements present in either set but not both. Syntax set one dot symmetric difference update, then the set two. So A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to 2 comma 4, A dot symmetric difference update B, print A. So the symmetric difference will be printing. So the 2 will be erased and joined with the set A. So the element will be 3, that is 1 comma 3 comma 4. The is subset is also defined, then is superset also defined. Is disjoint also? So here is the summary table of the all functions in the set function, set data type. So add, update, remove, discard, pop, clear, copy, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, intersection update, symmetric difference update, is subset, is superset, is disjoint are the functions of set. So go through the definitions and examples clearly. So let me move to the next, that is giving to some examples of sets. Same built-in functions used like in tuples, lists, array, same as this is used in len function, max, min, sum, sorted, any, all. So the example that is here, let me give the code in the ideally Python. Let me run it. See students, the output of the program, the example code is displayed clearly. So remember that also the built-in function is used with sets. Already you have discussed the set methods. So now advantages of sets. That is removes duplicate automatically, fast searching, efficient mathematical operations, easy to compare. Limitations. No indexing, unordered, cannot contain mutable objects like lists. So let us move to some examples and you can understand it clearly. So let me give the function program in set, that is function to count the even and odd numbers. Then def of count even odd. Then yes, even is equal to 0, then odd is equal to 0. Then for I in S, if I mod 2 double equal to 0, then even plus is equal to 1. Else odd plus is equal to 1. Then you have to give the print statement in the line of for loop. Even numbers is equal to comma even. Then parenthesis close. Then in next print statement, you have to give odd numbers is equal to then parenthesis close. Then default numbers is equal to 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 50, then parenthesis close. Then calling the function call statement, that is count even odd of numbers. F5, F5, F5. See, the output has been displayed, that is even numbers are 5, then odd number is 1. So here you can see the result in the interactive mode. So moving to the next code, that is finding the sum and average of the given set. So here shall we write function to find sum and average. Def sum of average here, the underscore should be there. then T is equal to sum of S, then AVG is equal to T by len of S. So then print sum is equal to comma T. Then print average is equal to then comma T AVG. Then parenthesis closed. Then giving the my own set, that is numbers is equal to 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 50. Then giving the function call with my function call statement with my own set element, that is numbers. Let us run this code F5. Okay. See students, the second element has been displayed. Sorry, the second output of the second code has been displayed. That is, sum of the set is 150 and the average of the set is 30. So moving to the next program. So keep practicing more programs that so you can do the programming with logics and clear minded. You will get. So now the function is to check disjoint sets. Def check disjoints set 1 comma set 2. If set 1 dot is disjoint set 2, then print sets are disjoint. Else print are not disjoint. After that, you can give your answer, that is a is equal to 1 comma 2, then v is equal to 3 comma 4. Check disjoint a comma b. So let me run that. Let me see the code. Wait once again. Disjoint. Wait, let me see that. If I- So, see, I have brought the result after for error. So, the sets are disjoint. So, moving to the next topic in Python, that is a more important topic that you will be confusing in the for loops and conditional loop statements. So, let me start with the new topic, that is pattern printing. Pattern printing is used to understand nested loops, which are essential for solving logic based programming. Then, patterns are created using for loops, while loops, spaces, and symbols like asterisks, numbers, or letters. The general syntax for pattern printing is for I in range rows, then for j in range columns, then print asterisk comma end is to print. The inner loop prints the pattern and the outer loop controls the number of rows. So the first pattern is square pattern. Rows equal to 5 for I in range of rows, then for j in range of rows. Then print asterisk, then end is equal to space, then again a print call statement. So let me run this code entirely in ideally Python. So let us move to ideally Python. See, let me run this. See student, the output is like 5 into 5, that is 25 star pattern has been displayed here. So next, that is we have going to move to the another pattern, that is right triangle pattern. Here rows is equal to 5 for I in range of, let me write it, for right triangle we have to give for I in range 1 comma rows plus 1, then parenthesis close is to for j in range of I, that is print asterisk comma end is equal to, then again a print state. So F5. So see now the right triangle pattern has been displayed. So next moving to the inverted right triangle. So let me give the code. Rows are 5 for I in range of rows. Here in for loop, the for first line, the for rows, comma 0. For inversion, you give minus 1. Then for j in range of I, print star int space, then print. So here only the changes in for I in loop. See, the inverted loop has been displayed here. So let's move pyramid pattern. For pyramid pattern, you have to only keep rows. Then in second, that is for J loop, you should not keep J loop at all. So remove for loop from J. Then give space. Instead of comma, you have to give star. Then rows minus I minus 1. You have to remove this end, comma, end should be at the last. End is equal to. Then in this print statement, you have to give star, then star, I plus 1, then F, then F. Sorry, the indentation is long a little bit. Fi, okay. See, the pyramid has been printed here. Sorry, some little changes should be there. It is not the pyramid here. Let me check. Rows is equal to 5 for I in range of rows. Yes, 1. So here, this is the square, but we need, right? Mm, Let me check with the my next. Moving to diamond pattern, that is hashtag diamond pattern. R is equal to 5. Then for I in range of R, then colon, then print R minus I minus 1, comma, end equal to then print then star then I plus 1. Then next, that is for I in range R minus 1, comma 0, comma minus 1. Then closed, then semicolon, then print then asterisk, then r minus I, then close, comma, end is equal to parenthesis open, then close. Sorry, quotes open and close. Then print parenthesis asterisk, then sorry, quotes open, then asterisk, then quotes close, then multiplication symbol, then I. This is for diamond pattern. Next, this is for number triangle. Okay, number triangle. Triangle. R is equal to 5. Then for I in range of 1 comma R plus 1. Then 1 comma R plus 1. Then parenthesis close. Then colon. For J in range 1 comma I plus 1. Then print J comma end is equal to, then double quotes with space. Then give again print parenthesis open and close. Next is for hashtag floats triangle, that is r is equal to 5, n is equal to 1. Enter. Then for I in range of 1 comma r plus 1, then parenthesis close, then colon. For j in range of I, print n comma end is equal to, then n plus is equal to 1, then print function call. Next, that is alphabet triangle. R is equal to 5. Then for I in range of R, then CH is equal to 65. Then for J in range I plus 1, CHR, CH, end is equal to CH plus is equal to 1. Print, then the last pattern, that is hollow square. R is equal to 5 for I in range of R for J in range of R if I double equal to 0 or I double equal to rows minus 1 or J double equal to 0 or J double equal to rows means R, here also R minus 1. Then print asterisk comma end equal to else comma end equal to then last print statement has been given. Then F5. See students, this is the big into 5 pattern codes. But when you see the result of this, note the patterns carefully because this will be asked in your exams or in any placement drives. So let me show the output of this code in ideally interactive shell. See students, this is the output for the pattern which I have given to you. So, concepts to remember, that is key points. Outer loop controls the number of rows. Inner loops controls the number of columns or symbols. End is equal to double quotations with space. Keep printing on the same line. Print moves to the next line. Space are used to align patterns like pyramids and diamonds. Most pattern questions are based on nested loops, condition statements, and understanding row and column relationships. So, Python sets and pattern printing, making them suitable for lecture material. Then, now I'm going to give the practice questions for today's lecture. Before we conclude this lecture, here are some practice questions for you. Try to solve them on your own without referring to the notes and answer the questions in the comment box. The theory questions are: what are the characteristics of set? Why do sets not allow duplicate elements? Explain add and update methods with example. Difference between remove, discard and pop, which I have discussed earlier. Explain set operations, union, intersection, difference and symmetric differences. Then, what are the built-in functions available for sets? Explain the logic behind star and number patterns. Then, what is a nested loop? How it is used to print patterns. Then, three programming questions. Write a program to remove duplicate elements from a list using a set. Then, write a program to print a square star pattern. Then, write a program to find union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference of two sets together. Then, thank you so much for watching lecture 6 of our Python full course. In this lecture, we have learned about sets and pattern printing, two important topics that helps us write efficient and logical Python programs. We started by understanding sets, their characteristics, how to create them, and why they are used for storing unique elements. Also, we have covered the set operations and the built-in functions like add, update, remove, discard, pop, and etc. We also learned the built-in functions available for sets and solved several practice programs. Next, move to pattern printing, where we have to use nested loops and understanding the different types of pattern. We practice star patterns, number patterns, alphabets, then pyramids, inverted pyramids. These exercises helps to improve logical thinking and problem solving skills, which are essential for coding. Interviews and competitive programming hackathons will be gaining the knowledge with this. Make sure you practice all the example and solve the practice questions to strengthen your understanding level before moving to the next part in the next lecture. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming lectures of our Python course. In the next lecture, we will continue our Python program journey by learning about modules, packages, and OOPs in Python with practical example. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep coding. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. So, until then, this is Ashwin signing off. Happy coding.